Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests to my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to give access on Google Drive. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. First, we need to go to Google Drive. After that, go to our files. Scroll down a little and click on these 3 points. After that, you need to click Share. And here you need to enter email of people that you want to send access to Google Drive. For example, I want to send to these people. Enter. After that, send some message. Click Send. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you.